वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का शंघाई ताउन तंजीम इजलास से ख़ताम में कहना था कि सीपैक दूसरे मरहले में दाखिल हो गया है। मुस्तहकम अफगानिस्तान इलाकाई तरक्की के लिए अहम है। आलमी बिरादरी यकीनी बनाए कि अफगान सरजमीन मज़ीद दहशत गर्दी के लिए इस्तेमाल ना हो।
We are host SCO Council of Heads of Government. Pakistan firmly believes that a stronger, more effective SCO is essential to achieving sustainable development in our region. Stable Afghanistan is not only desirable but essential. The international community must step forward with urgent humanitarian support while calling upon the Afghan interim government, ensuring Afghan soil is not misused for terrorism against its neighbors. China-Pakistan Economic Corridor in its second phase and the international north-south transport corridor should be expanded. Flagship projects like the Belt and Road Initiative. Let us not look at such projects through the narrow political prism and invest in our collective connectivity capacities. International community bears the responsibility to ensure an immediate and unconditional ceasefire leading to the establishment of State of Palestine with Al-Quds as its capital. Cooperation on poverty alleviation is critical. Let us work together for a prosperous region that benefits all member states.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।